Welcome to Video 9 in this webinar series for the Yavapai-Apache Nation's new Environmental Code, presented by the Environmental Department. In this video, I'll be sharing information on Title 8 of the Yavapai-Apache Nation Environmental Code, Natural Resources. In its management decisions, the Environmental Department shall promote the protection and enhancement of culturally significant, threatened, endangered, and protected species. This shall include, but is not limited to, enacting protections for culturally significant, threatened, endangered, and protected species as it deems necessary to protect the nation and its resources. The Environmental Department shall manage invasive species to support the preservation of native species and the overall protection of threatened or endangered species. What is the riparian corridor? The riparian corridor is a unique ecosystem that includes the land itself, along with all the plants and other beings living near a body of water. All activities will be controlled to prevent impacts within the riparian corridor. Development, grazing, and mining are not authorized in this area unless it is unavoidable and necessary. In that case, impacts will be minimized with restorative efforts and actions. The riparian corridor best practices are as follows. Prohibited use of herbicides or pesticides for the removal of harmful plants. Any mechanical removal of harmful plants will be timed and done respectfully to wildlife or habitats. And all off-road recreation vehicles are prohibited streamside or near the riparian corridor. When it comes to hunting, members of the Yavapai-Apache Nation can hunt in any member hunting zone, fish in any fishing zone, and camp in any overnight use zone. Nation members are also expected to carry a valid and current enrollment card when doing any of these activities. For non-members, when it comes to hunting, they're not allowed to hunt on the reservation at all. Non-members are, however, allowed to fish if they have a valid and current fishing license obtained through Title II of this code, with all fees paid, of course. Non-members can only camp on the reservation if they have a valid permit, have paid all fees, and have complied with the rules and regulations. Camping in the yard of a Yavapai-Apache Nation member's residence is okay. You can receive a notice of violation for the following: hunting or fishing without a permit, being intoxicated while hunting or fishing, disturb, destroy, capture, kill, take, transport, or possess or sell any endangered or threatened species. Hunting nocturnal animals, shining or spotlighting them with artificial light. Using, laying, or preparing any lime, poison, fish, berries, or any other substance that can deteriorate life in and around the Verde River. No one shall introduce or cause to be introduced exotic or non-native plants or animal species into the Verde River or the riparian corridor. Thank you for watching Video 9. We're going to cover a little bit more of the Environmental Code in the next video. You're also welcome to review the Environmental Code by visiting Yavapai-Apache.org website. You'll find it under Tribal Codes, labeled as Yavapai-Apache Nation Environmental Code. Until next time.